Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've recorded a video, but I'm back and I'm trying to be better, so just bear with me as I slowly get back into the recording, you know, groove, shall I say. But anyways, let's get right into it. So this video I'm going to do for you guys today is for an easy do-it-yourself eyebrow tinting. I don't know if you guys have seen it already, but Maybelline has came out with their tattoo brow line, which they've had out for a while, but they actually have this brow tinting here. And I think it was like 13 bucks. For some reason I had to get it off of Amazon. I couldn't find it at any Walgreens or anything like that. But it says it lasts for a couple of days, so it's a gel. It says lasts up to 3 days, which 3 days is nothing, but I mean, if I don't have to do my eyebrows for 3 days, then by all means, like, I'll be okay. This is in the color dark brown, and it's just a little tube little here, and the instructions are you just brush it on as you would any type of brush on gel, and it's supposed to peel off. So let's see how this goes, guys. Wish me luck. Before I do that, I'm going to brush my brows up to make sure all the hair is covered. And I did just get my eyebrows threaded, so I would recommend plucking your eyebrows or do what you normally do before you do this so you can have like the best look. And look at it here. It looks really like, not about this one. We're about to see. Alright guys, here goes nothing. Oh my god. I don't know. This says dark brown, but this legit looks like black. This look black. Do y'all see this? Oh my gosh. So, let's just lather this bad boy on. I'm going to try to be neat because this is my first time doing this. Oh shoot, and I already messed up. And I don't have time to be looking crazy because I got to work in the morning, so if I look crazy. And I just brush it all on. So there you see it. Let me zoom in for you guys. You see it? Brow on fleek. Ew! We got brows on fleek. Alright, let me do this other one so I can look double crazy. I really don't know if I should be doing this much, but at this rate, I ain't got nothing else to lose. Oh my god, what if my eyebrows burn off? Oh, I'm uneven. Gotta fix that up. So I don't really have hair here, so I'm just gonna put a lot so that way it's easier to peel. And we're gonna fix that. Alright. Alright. I am so uneven. I promise you in real life, this is not how I draw my eyebrows. I think I just got a little carried away here. Okay, there we go. We're better. Just add some finishing touches here. Alright. Alright guys, if you want to see how I look. Before my eyebrows fall off, let's see. Half of this stuff is like the packaging on this box is so like, I don't know if you guys can even see this, but let's see here. Let's see. Like, no one can even read that. That's how it looks in real life. So, I'm just trying to see how long I'm supposed to leave it on. So, oh, for 20 minutes. Perfect, perfect. So, what we're going to do is we are going to leave this on for 20 minutes. So, let me set my timer. And 20 minutes is on the clock. And we shall see. Alright, Hoochies. Guys, do you hear that? That means we're done. About time. Yes. Alright guys, now that the time is up, we're gonna go ahead and attempt to take this off. By the looks of it, it looks wet to me. It looks really wet, but it's not. So it's supposed to just peel off. So what I think I'm gonna do is grab some tweezers and pluck them off. Ooh. Plucking it up. And I mean, you probably don't need tweezers, but I feel like it just looks more fancier when you use tweezers. Oh! Look at that. You guys see that? Wow. Alright. So I'm going to use the tweezers again. And be careful not to pluck your actual eyebrows if you're using tweezers. Because... wow. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see that? There's nothing. What? Oh. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's over for you guys. Like, look at this. Let's get the other one right. And it just peeled right off. You see that? My goodness. It's just peeling away. And maybe that's why you're supposed to put a lot on, so it can peel easier. Oh my gosh, guys. Do you see that? Wow. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Brows on fleek. Let's talk about it. Alright guys, first impression, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I mean, obviously, it's probably not the same as going to get your eyebrows actually tinted, but if you can do this, you know, every couple of days, I think, Maybelline, you guys might be onto something. Alright. Well, thank God I cleaned it up at the end, because if not, I was going to be looking crazy. But yes guys, so up close and personal, there's no more of it on. So I'm actually very impressed. Yes. With that being said, I give this product a thumbs up because it's awesome. I mean, obviously I'm not going to try the waterproof and see. Well, actually I will when I try to take my makeup off. If it holds up through that, then I mean, that's awesome. I mean, I'll give you guys an update as far as the 3-day wear. But other than that, I'm very happy with this product. I will leave the link below because I bought this product on Amazon because I couldn't find it in stores. I'm pretty sure you can buy it at Walgreens, CVS, one of those, but everyone I went to didn't have it. So I will leave the Amazon link below that I actually used to purchase this particular product. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. Make sure you comment and subscribe.